Senlong, the oil tanker, came into the news after covering the most sensitive sea journey and reaching India. So today we are going to discuss about Senlong. A massive oil tanker Senlong, which is a Liberia registered company, recently reached India, carrying about 1,35,335 metric tons of crude oil from Saudi Arabia to India under the Indian captainship of Sukhsant Singh Sandhu. What makes this journey special is that the ship passes through the Strait of Hormuz, which is a very highly sensitive waterways nowadays. Due to the rising tension in the Middle East countries, the tanker even have to switch to the dark mode. So dark mode is a phase in which a ship or a tanker disable its location temporarily by turning off the tracking system for its safety. It began its journey from Ras Tanura port in Saudi Arabia, covered Persian Gulf, Strait of Hormuz, Arabian Sea, and came to the Jawahar Deep in Mumbai port. So what could happen next in India? It can be normal shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. If the ships will continue moving normally, the India will continue receiving crude oil and LPG from the Middle East countries. The next thing can be the diversified energy imports. So if India will start purchasing crude oil from USA, Brazil, it can reduce dependence on the Middle East countries. India also have crude oil which is managed by Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserve Limited. So in the case of emergency or for the short duration, India can use it. In case of any emergency or in case of any import disruption, we can use it. Here the question arises, can LPG shortage happens in India? For the short duration, India is unlikely to face any shortage of LPG, but if the situation gets worse and worse, India can also have some effect on, which can lead to the delay in the LPG shipment, higher prices, or the pressure supply, which we are facing temporarily. But right now, the arrival of the Senlong tanker shows that energy supply to India is still continuing. As a whole, we can say that India is not facing any kind of shortage immediately, so don't panic.